Hello viewers, welcome to ICSE Board Class 10 Biology. We are working with the chapter Circulatory System and these are the extra questions for your self-evaluation. This will be episode 8.3. So let us see the namings. So the namings that you have to do it on your own. That is process of formation of RBC, the process in which the blood circulation occurs through proper channels. Likewise, many questions are there, and these are the questions that I have taken from the previous year's biology papers as well as few textbooks as well as my own. So please go through it. I'm not going to read each and everything, but at least you will come to know about the questions that are likely to be asked in the board examination. So these are the questions. The question will be asked like this: name the following, or give the process name, or define, or whatever it is. So maybe objectives, these are like objective sort of questions. So this is the related to the namings. The next one, these are also related to namings. If you have any doubt in this one, please let me know, but go through it, read the chapter as well as from the textbook, or you can go through the video and you can answer it. If you want, then you can send it back to me through the PDF file, or maybe through the YouTube in the comment box, or attach it, or you can message me directly. So if you have any doubts, please let me know. These are the definitions. You can pause the video and you can write down the definitions, and then it becomes easy for you. You can, whether it is there in the book or not, but don't worry about it. Please write down. It will help you. It is just a sort of a self-evaluation. These are the differences. See, in the differences there are questions in which certain things are given in the bracket. So that means you have to answer according to the bracket. As for example, here bicuspid valve and tricuspid valve, the bracket is given flap, and the same question is there, bicuspid valve and tricuspid valve, bracket is given location. Got it? So bicuspid and tricuspid valve, if they are asking flaps, then you have to write bicuspid valve has two flap valves, while tricuspid is a 3 flap valve. For location, you have to write tricuspid valve is found between the right auricle and right ventricle, while bicuspid valve is found between left auricle and left ventricle. So likewise, then WBC and RBC, if they ask WBC and RBC shape, then WBC amoeboid, RBC is biconcave shape. But if they are respiratory pigment present, then RBC has hemoglobin and WBC is without hemoglobin. So likewise, these are the fill in the blanks that I have sorted out from the textbook. And these are the true and false. True and false: if the statement is false, rewrite the correct statement. Here I have mentioned the words that you require to change. That is dub in the first one, second one prothrombin, third one is stethoscope, fourth one is hepatic artery, fifth one is platelets. So they will be giving you the question that change the bold words and fit the correct word to make the sentence correct, or to make the sentence true, and rewrite. That means afterwards, after changing that bold words, as for example, dub is the first sound heard. No, lub is the first sound. So lub is the first sound of the heartbeat. So after correcting that dub into lub, you have to rewrite the statement. Then only you will get marks, otherwise not. Choose the odd one out with the category. So here you have to choose the odd one out. Here it is having heart, arteries, ureters and vein. So which is the odd one? Ureter is the odd one. So heart, artery and veins, they are all related to the circulatory system, while ureter is related to excretory system. So likewise, tunica albuginea, tunica media, tunica externa, tunica interna. So tunica albuginea, it is odd one, while tunica media, tunica externa, tunica interna, all related to the blood vessels. Tunica albuginea is related to the reproductive system. So try to work it out. If you have any doubts in this one, please let me know. Now this is the one of the important questions. State the function of following. So here I have given list of terms, and you have to state the functions in one sentence. As for example, SA node, it initiates the heartbeat. AV node, it sets the heartbeat on the ventricles. So likewise, find out the answers for this one and let me know if you have any doubts related to any of these terms. Then short question answers, or you can say short answer questions. This is about 1 or 2 marks. Explain RBCs without nucleus. Walls of artery are thicker than veins. Likewise. So there are about 12 short answer questions. This is the answers that you have to write down with 3 to 4 lines, but don't write too long, because long answers are hardly asked in the board examination. So maybe you will be having 1 or 2 marks questions and you will be writing about 3 to 4 lines, not more than that. So question number 5 and question number 6, those are the diagrams. So draw a well-labeled diagram of external structure of heart and draw a well-labeled diagram of blood vessels, that means arteries, veins and capillaries. So I hope you understood this one. This is just for the self-evaluation. Question answers are there, and if you have any doubt in this one, please let me know as well. And if you are writing and if you want me to check, you can submit it to me through YouTube comment box. Thanks very much guys, and I'll see you in the next session.